Hey Australia! Tired of the same old boring breakfast routine? Need something super quick, incredibly delicious, and packed with goodness to kickstart your day? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're whipping up a power smoothie that's ready in just 90 seconds. Seriously, 90 seconds to a healthier, more energized you. Here's what you'll need for this burst of sunshine. 1 ripe banana for that creamy texture and natural sweetness. Half a cup of mixed berries frozen works perfectly and adds a refreshing chill. Think blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, your choice. A handful of spinach. Don't worry, you won't taste it, but your body will thank you for the nutrients. 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder to keep you full and focused. Vanilla or unflavored works great. A tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds for that extra fiber and omega-3 boost. And about a cup of almond milk, or any milk of your choice. Even water works in a pinch. Now for the fun part. Simply toss all these amazing ingredients into your blender. Banana goes in, berries, spinach, protein powder, chia seeds, and the milk. Secure the lid, very important, trust me, and blend. Watch the magic happen. Just 30 seconds to a vibrant, smooth, and delicious breakfast. Look at that color, pour it into your favorite glass. Ah, perfection. This smoothie isn't just quick, it's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and everything you need to tackle your day with energy and a smile. It's the perfect grab-and-go option for busy mornings. So, give this 90-second power smoothie a try and tell us what you think. What's your favorite smoothie ingredient? Let us know in the comments below. Enjoy your delicious, healthy start to the day. Cheers.